to show you how to build a website for your classroom blog. I chose Weebly.com because it's free and it's really easy to use. I think you could probably build your site in about 10 to 15 minutes total, depending on how long it takes you to choose images or to add text to it. So to start, I've already logged in, as you can see, or signed up for my account, so I'm going to create a new site. The first thing I need to do is choose a theme, so this is basically what my page will end up looking like. I'm going to keep it simple by just choosing this page right here. And then I have to choose my domain name. So this will be my website, the address that I share with people. So I just fill in this little dot here, and then I'm going to type in Kim. I'm finding out it's already taken, so I can't use that, so I'll use my full name, which is apparently also already taken. Oh, no, it's not. And then I press continue. So now my new website will be kimlosi.weebly.com. Now I can begin to edit. So the first thing I'll do is just change my title here. I just highlight over the text and I type in what I want. I'm going to use Ardmore School. You could also add a logo if you choose, or you don't even need to have a title if you don't want to. I want to edit this image since this girl doesn't really work for what my site is for. So to do that, I click Edit Image and then I press Change Image. Now, I can either choose from a preloaded image or I can upload an image of my own. Today I'm just going to pick from something that's already in here. How about this guy typing? Select. I like how my image looks, so now I'm going to save it. So to save it, I press save and it gives me a couple of options. When I choose save to all pages, it means that this picture will actually show up on any pages that I add to my website. If I want it only on my home page, I would click save to only this page. Today I'm going to pick save to all pages because it will save me time later from having to choose additional images. Now I get to choose a layout for my home page. So to do this, I can either choose a layout that's already made, or I can drag elements in on my own to create one. I'm just going to choose a layout that's already made. I like it, so I'm going to keep it. I'm going to leave this title about us, and in this box I can write something about us. So I might write Ardmore School is located in blah 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 blah, and tell a little bit more about what my page is about. And then I want to change this image since the table and chairs isn't really working for this particular theme. So to change the image, I can just exit out and delete it. And now it's gone. And I can look over here on my left. I will choose image, and this will allow me to drag a box over to add an image. And now I can upload the image of my choice. So I can either drag a photo in or upload something from my computer. I'm going to just choose this education quote that I have. And there you go. Now, I'm looking down here and I think to myself, I don't really need any of this. So I can delete it. I don't need it on my home page. So to delete things, I just hover my mouse over it, find this little X here, click it, and then delete it. And then they're gone for good. If I decide later on, ooh, I really want more text or another title or another section on my home page, I can go right over here and drag and drop what I want onto my page where I want it. And as you can see, there you go. If I don't like the place that I put it, I can easily move it. If I don't want it at all, I just delete it. Done. So that's my home page. Now I want to add my blog page. So to add a place for the kids to blog, I just go up here to Pages, and on the left, hit plus, and I'm going to choose a blog page. And now you can see this is going to end up being my blog page. So the first thing I want to do is change this header because I don't want it to say click to add headline. So I might change it. I'm going to choose tall header. I like it. I could also choose a short header that just makes it smaller. And then I can actually change what it says by clicking on it. So I'm going to say our students' thoughts. And that, my friends, is pretty much it. So now my pages are ready to go. If I decide I want to do a post right away, I click new post, but since I'm saving this for my kids, I'm not going to. So now I can publish my page, believe it or not. So I'm going to click publish, and then I see I have my address here, and then I'm going to press continue. And now, my friends, my website is published. So I can go to it, and there's my home page. Pretty neat. And if I want to get to the blog page, I just go right there. And there you go. Easy peasy, right? Now, as I work on this with my students, when my students are going to add to the page, I'm going to log in for them. Go to edit site. I want to go to our blog page. And to add a blog, I literally just type new post and I can start typing. So today we made a blog. There's my title. Drag elements here. So to add text to my blog, I simply drag in a text box. If I decide I also want to add an image, I can do that as well. And now I can start typing. This blog is about blah, 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 blah. And post it. And then, as you can see, there's my blog, and there's my post.